Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sanya. This video, I will bring you guys a new arrival of the EVE lithium iron phosphate battery cell. It is with the new technology and maybe surprise for you. Follow my camera to see the details of this type of battery cell. Yes, this one is 95.8 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery. The voltage of this one, the rated is 3.22 voltage. It is different with other solar energy storage battery cell of the lithium iron phosphate battery cell. In previous, we know that like the LiFePO4, it is rated voltage is 3.2, but this one is 3.22. Is that the difference compared to the other type of battery cell? Okay, follow the details. Firstly, that is the size of the battery cell. The thickness is 46 mm. The length is 194 mm. The height is 86 mm. So compared to the ordinary of 100 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell, it is totally different because it is more longer, it is more shorter in height, and the thickness is a little bit thickness than the 100 ampere hour. And for this new coming lithium iron phosphate battery cell, I'd like to tell you guys the advantage and the disadvantage. Firstly is advantage. The advantage, of course, is the price. I believe you guys, when you made your decision to make the battery pack purchase plan, the first point that is the price. For this one, compared to the EVE 100 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell, the cost is 10% decrease compared to the 100 ampere hour. So this price is very cost effective for the brand new grade A lithium iron phosphate battery cell in the market. This is the first point of the price. For the second point, that is a new technology. You can see the voltage range. It is 2 volt to 3.8 volt. If you guys know well for the lithium iron phosphate battery cell, you will know the ordinary lithium iron phosphate battery cell, the voltage range is 2.5 voltage to 3.65 voltage. This is the ordinary, but for this one, the new type, the voltage range is 2 volt to 3.8 volt. So you guys may ask, what is the advantage for this voltage range? The answer, that is, in this wide voltage range can support the fast charge and fast discharge. As we know, now in the electric vehicle market, more and more electric car factory pursue for the fast charge purpose. So in this situation, those sales company like the CATL, yes, I recommended for you guys in previews about the 106 ampere hour. So this type of battery cell can support the fast charge and also can support the high rate discharge. The fast charge, it can support 5 series of fast charge. Do you know what the meaning for 5 series? Which means this battery, it can charge full within 20 minutes. This is the fast charge means for 5 series. And the third advantage, that is the temperature. You can see from the specification, it wrote it can charge and discharge the temperature range from -30 degrees to the 60 degrees. So compare the ordinary lithium iron phosphate battery cell. This battery cell, the temperature can be more wilder. If your location at the temperature is very cold weather, this one maybe can be your choice. Except that, as we know, for the lithium iron phosphate battery cell, it is more safety compared to the lithium ion battery. So if you guys focus on the price, the safety, the discharge rate, the charge rate, and also the temperature, this one is your best choice. And you guys will also ask, so what is the disadvantage? Yes, there is a disadvantage if you focus on the cycle life. From the specification, it wrote, if this battery cell work at 1C charge and discharge, the cycle life only 2000 cycle life. But it should be at 25 degree. If you want to make it at 35 degree, the cycle life is 1500 cycle life. For this point, some guys will consider it is the disadvantage, but some guys will disagree with this opinion. Why? Because you can see the ordinary of 100 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell. It is at 0.5 C rate, then can reach 5000 cycle life. But for this one, it is 1C charge and 1C discharge. The cycle life is 2000. If you work for this one at 0.5 C rate, it is the same situation as the 668 ampere hour and 628 ampere hour. If you work at 0.5 C rate, it can be the similar cycle life with the 100 ampere hour cycle life at 4000 or 5000 cycle life. We have the large stock in our warehouse can support your 4 pieces or 8 pieces or 16 pieces or 1000 or 10,000 pieces. So you can see this is the original packing from the EVE. You can see this is the original packing from the EVE. It packed 10 pieces per carton. Sale for this 95.8 ampere hour, the weight is only 1.67 kilogram. So the energy density can reach 184 watt-hour per kilogram. Compared to the ordinary of 100 ampere hour, the ordinary is 160 watt-hour per kilogram, but now this one can reach 184. So it increased a lot of the energy density. And the next step, I will use our tester to see the internal resistance and the voltage to see the details. Let's go. The internal resistance is 0.24, 0.23. Internal resistance, 0.24. Voltage is very consistency. And the internal resistance compared to the 100 ampere hour, it works more better. Next one, okay. So from this testing, you can see no matter the voltage consistency or the internal resistance or the price, it is the perfect choice for your project if you need 100 ampere hour around. And the next one, you can see our testing report from the EVE. The capacity range is 98 to 100 ampere hour. So if you are looking for the lithium iron phosphate battery cell, which is in brand new grade A, which the capacity range is 100 ampere hour round, which can support the faster charge and high rate discharge, and also more high energy density, and can work in a very longer, very wider temperature range. The EVE 95.8 ampere hour will be your best choice. If you want to know more details about the specification or the price or the bulk price, you can consult with our sales freely. For the seller price, it is only 22, but they have bulk order price. If you need the bulk order price, please consult with our sales freely. And thank you for you guys watching. This is Anya. See you in this video. Bye-bye.